Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back to this video. If you're new here guys, you know what to do. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back to this video. You guys are always welcome, you guys are awesome, and you guys are what make this community what it is. If you're watching this video guys, please be sure to smash that like button, because of course guys, I'm not sure if you guys heard the news already, but what we'll be talking about in this video is worth smashing the like button for. It's something that is gonna be revolutionary to international students in Canada, or for persons who have been recently approved to come to Canada as international student. It's something that will revolutionize the scope of studying in Canada. Right, so smash a like on the video guys, definitely, and drop a comment guys. Let me know if you've heard of the news already, or if this is the first time you're hearing the news. Now, if you don't know who I am guys, let me just do a quick introduction of myself. My name is Dems. I came to Canada in 2019 as an international student. I finished school, working full-time, and on path to permanent residency. I'm living in the beautiful province of Alberta in a town called Grand Prairie, which is home to me and my beautiful wife and two daughters. That's enough about me guys. What am I talking about in this video? So I woke up to some very fascinating news, and the news that I saw when I got up was the Immigration Minister of Canada, Sean Fraser, has announced a temporary measure which will allow international students who are currently studying in Canada or who has been recently approved to study in Canada the ability to work more than 20 hours off campus while school is in session. Now guys, this is a big deal. Now if you guys know anything about studying in Canada, you know that previously to this announcement, international students are only allowed to work for 20 hours while school is in session. Now guys, this is a temporary measure that is going to be allowing international students to work more than 20 hours while school is in session off campus. And the duration of this temporary measure guys is going to be from November 15th 2022, and it's going to go up to December of 2023. So it's a temporary measure guys, but you know what, it's a temporary measure that is going to benefit a lot of people, and it's pretty much for 1 year. And as per most other immigration temporary measure, as soon as the time is finished or almost ended, they usually extend it or come up with some mitigating factors that will change the way all the policy was before. Right, so smash a like on the video guys if you are excited about this news. I, for one, even though I'm no longer an international student, I'm so excited, because a lot of you guys who are a part of this community are international students, and a lot of you guys are persons who are thinking of coming to Canada as an international student. So pretty much, if you were recently approved, if you're in Canada, if you are but that's the part guys, if you have not yet applied for a study permit, it is not going to be relevant to you, at least at this present junction. It might change in the future, but this is pretty much only directed for persons who are already approved and are in Canada, or already approved and on their way to Canada. So again, many of you guys on this platform are international students who are already in Canada, who have been recently approved. And I just want to say, this is big news, big news, because we know that living in Canada can be very expensive. It comes with a lot of expenses, and being a student and only being able to work 20 hours, especially if you have a family, it's very difficult. But guess what guys, at least for the next year, you can work full-time. Well, I'm not gonna say full-time, but more than 20 hours, which makes a significant difference guys. And when I was reading it, the reason why they did it is to offset some of the labor shortages that is currently facing Canada. So I'd say take advantage of it, but don't forget the reason why you are here, and that is to study. And it's very important that you keep studying guys, because that is gonna be fundamentally what is going to cause you to be able to continue your immigration journey. So don't work so much that it's going to become a conflict with studying, because studying is the reason why you're here, and studying is the reason why you're going to be able to matriculate into other immigration areas like your PGWP and stuff like that. So don't forget your studies. But this is wonderful news guys. I don't know about you, but even though it doesn't affect me personally, I'm really excited that this news is out right now. And I want to say take advantage of it guys. Take advantage of it. take advantage of it. That's all I can say. Now, when I was going to school, guys, 20 hours a week, we had to make it work. It's very difficult. It was extremely difficult, and many of you guys who are here had to start working 20 hours, and you see how difficult it can be when you're thinking of raising that tuition, when you're thinking of living expenses, when you're thinking of maintaining a family. 20 hours a week can be a little bit difficult, a little bit challenging. So now you have the opportunity to work a little bit more than the 20 hours, or who knows, even maybe full time off campus. I'd say this is a significant opportunity, and I just want to tell you guys to jump at it. And again, Canada is just always finding new ways of surprising me, of definitely showing me that, you know what, we did not make a mistake by coming to this country. They take after their people, like they look after us, and 100%. I just want to say, enough respect. Enough respect for that. And you know what, for persons who are probably thinking that, oh man, I should have applied for my study permit already, I probably would have been able to benefit from this more than 20 hours a week thing. What I would say to you guys is, nothing happens before it's time. And also bearing in mind that there's probably policies that are going to come in place when you are here that's going to probably benefit you as well. And also the fact that this probably is something that's going to be extended. Who knows? It's probably the step that's going to cause it to be looked on and changed permanently. But we're not jumping the gun yet. We're just celebrating this victory. Smash a like on the video, guys, if this is going to be affecting you, if this is a big deal for you, if you guys are really excited about this change. Smash a like on this video, and don't hesitate to share this video as well. Share this video so other international students can see what's going on, because sometimes just between studying and working and stuff like that, they miss the news that's going around. Make sure that nobody missed this video, guys. Make sure that nobody missed this update by making sure that you share this video in all platforms so that other persons can see that this is happening, guys. Right? So again, just a recap of what's the news. The news is international students who are currently in Canada, or who has been recently approved to study in Canada, are now able to work more than 20 hours a week off campus while school is in session. And it's a temporary measure that is going to run from November 15th, 2022 all the way up until December 2023. So a little over a year, guys, and this is a significant announcement. I'm also going to drop the link in the description of the article that outlines everything, so you guys can go and read it for yourselves, just to make sure that you are not in contrary of any I would say immigration laws, rules that will probably affect your application for PGWP. I know as international students we tend to overthink everything because we are treading on chalk line, and you don't want to do anything that's going to affect your future. So I'll definitely suggest that you click on the link in the description right down below in this video, which will definitely give you the exact announcement, and then use it to your advantage. Work some money, save some money, pay your school fee, take care of yourself, and benefit from this temporary measure as much as possible. Again, just to reiterate, do not let this ability to work cloud your judgment, cause you to forget why you're here, which is to study. Make time to make sure that school is still your priority. Don't abuse it. Don't work so much that it's gonna start affecting your school and ultimately affect your status. Alright, guys, keep that in mind. Big up on yourself. Make sure that you guys have already subscribed to this video. Not subscribe to the video, but subscribe to the channel. Smash a like on the video, guys, and definitely drop a comment. Alright, guys, I'm super excited about this news. I couldn't help but share it with you guys. Hopefully it benefits you guys, or benefit your family member, your friend, your spouse, your children, anybody who is studying in Canada, guys. This is a big deal. Smash a like, drop a comment, and share. See you guys in the next video.